The townhomes are located half a mile away from the main campus and are home to both male and female upperclassmen residents. The townhomes offer some of the independence of living in a homey apartment with the benefits of on-campus housing. The Trojan Transit provides transportation from the main campus to the townhomes. The entrance takes you into a homey living area with plenty of space for furniture, with a half bath adjacent to it. Each unit has a full kitchen and a cozy dining space with a door to the back patio. Each kitchen includes a full refrigerator. Upstairs are bedrooms and a full bathroom. Each townhome holds 4 upperclassmen students of the same gender, 2 in each bedroom. Each room has 1 closet as well as 2 beds that can be bunked or lofted, 2 extra long twin mattresses, dressers, desks, and chairs for both residents. The rooms share a full bathroom with 1 toilet, 1 tub and shower, a sink and a vanity, and storage. Downstairs, adjacent to the kitchen, is a laundry space, complete with a washer and dryer for residents to use, included in tuition costs. Visit the housing page under Campus Life on our website for more information.